Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled AI Ethics and Bias. Ensuring fairness and avoiding pitfalls in our AI. Imagine you're building a robot friend. You wouldn't want your robot to be mean or unfair, right? In the world of AI ethics is like making sure our digital creations, our smart apps, recommendation systems, or self-driving cars, are fair, safe, and helpful for everyone. As a developer, you're not just writing code, you're shaping the future. Understanding AI ethics means building good technology from the ground up, making sure it doesn't accidentally harm people or make unfair decisions. It's about being a responsible creator. Think of bias in AI like teaching a child using only stories about one specific type of person. If that child then meets someone different, they might not understand or might make incorrect assumptions. In AI, bias means our artificial intelligence systems make unfair or inaccurate decisions for certain groups of people because they were trained on incomplete, skewed, or prejudiced data. It's not usually intentional malice, but a reflection of the data it learned from. As developers, we need to recognize when our AI is playing favorites without realizing it. AI learns from data, much like how a student learns from textbooks. If your textbooks are missing entire chapters, or only show one side of a story, the student's understanding will be incomplete and biased. In AI, the biggest source of bias is often the data we feed it. If we train an AI to recognize faces using mostly pictures of one ethnicity, it will struggle to recognize others. If an AI for job applications is trained on past hiring data that favored men, it might unintentionally discriminate against women. As developers, our role starts before the AI even learns. We must carefully collect and clean our data, ensuring it represents the world fairly and broadly. Even with perfect data, which is rare, bias can sneak in through how we build and design our AI systems. Imagine you're building a system to predict who gets a loan. If you tell the system to prioritize fast repayment and only give it examples from people with high incomes, it might unintentionally penalize people from lower income backgrounds, even if they are perfectly capable of repaying. Sometimes, the mathematical shortcuts, algorithms we choose, or the features we tell the AI to focus on, can amplify existing biases or create new ones. As developers, we need to think critically about the problem we're solving and how our chosen algorithms might interact with different groups of users, continually testing for fairness. This isn't just theoretical. We've seen AI systems that less than all greater than less than li greater than less than b greater than facial recognition, less than b greater than struggle to accurately identify women and people of color, leading to wrongful arrests or security issues. Less than li greater than less than li greater than less than b greater than loan applications. Less than b greater than assign lower credit scores or deny loans to certain demographics, reinforcing historical inequalities. Less than li greater than less than li greater than less than b greater than job recruitment. Less than b greater than automatically filter out resumes containing words associated with female-dominated roles, despite the candidates being qualified. Less than li greater than less than li greater than less than b greater than healthcare. Less than b greater than predict health risks less accurately for minority groups because the training data was predominantly from majority groups. Less than li greater than less than ul greater than. These examples show why understanding and preventing bias isn't just a good idea. It's crucial for the well-being of society. Good news. As a developer, you have powerful tools to fight bias. Less than ol greater than less than li greater than less than b greater than diverse data collection. Less than b greater than actively seek out and include data from all relevant groups. Think broadly. Less than Li greater than less than Li greater than less than B greater than bias detection and measurement. Less than B greater than use special tools and metrics to find where your AI is unfair. It's like having a fairness detector for your models. Less than Li greater than less than Li greater than less than B greater than algorithmic fairness techniques. Less than B greater than implement specific algorithms designed to reduce bias during training or prediction. This could involve rebalancing data or adjusting model outputs. Less than Li greater than less than Li greater than less than B greater than transparency and explainability. XAI. Less than B greater than try to understand why your AI made a decision. If you can explain it, you can often spot unfair reasoning. Less than Li greater than less than Li greater than less than B greater than continuous monitoring. Less than B greater than I systems aren't set it and forget it. They need ongoing checks to ensure fairness doesn't degrade over time as new data comes in. Less than Li greater than less than OL greater than. While bias is a huge topic, AI ethics goes even further. As you build AI, also consider less than all greater than less than Li greater than less than B greater than privacy. Less than B greater than how is your AI using personal data? Is it protected? Are you collecting only what's necessary? Less than Li greater than less than Li greater than less than B greater than accountability. Less than B greater than if your AI makes a mistake. Who is responsible? The developer? The company? The user? Thinking about this helps design robust systems with safeguards. Less than Li greater than less than Li greater than less than B greater than transparency. Less than B greater than can users understand how your AI works or why it made a decision. Less than Li greater than less than Li greater than less than B greater than misuse. Less than B greater than could your AI be used for harmful purposes, even if you designed it for good? E.g., facial recognition used for surveillance without consent. Less than Li greater than less than all greater than building ethical AI means looking at the whole picture and anticipating potential problems. As a developer, understanding AI ethics isn't just a nice to have. It's becoming a critical skill. Less than all greater than less than Li greater than less than B greater than it builds trust. Less than B greater than users are more likely to adopt and trust AI systems they perceive as fair and transparent. Less than Li greater than less than Li greater than less than B greater than it's good for business. Less than B greater than avoiding ethical pitfalls can prevent costly lawsuits, reputational damage, and regulatory fines. Less than Li greater than less than Li greater than less than B greater than it shapes your career. Less than B greater than employers are increasingly seeking developers with an ethical mindset. Less than Li greater than less than Li greater than less than B greater than it's your responsibility. Less than B greater than you are building tools that can profoundly impact people's lives. Wielding that power responsibly makes you a more valuable and respected creator. Less than Li greater than less than all greater than by. Embracing AI ethics. You're not just coding, you're building a better, fairer future with technology. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.